My name is Sally Lee, and this is my extra credit project for art history. The elements of art and principle of design are the building blocks used to communicate an idea. It consists of color, line, shape and space, texture and surface, time and motion, balance, scale and proportion, repetition and rhythm, and unity and variety. The first five belong to the formal elements category, in other words, the materials, and the other are under principle of design and composition. This is more of how those elements are arranged and where they can lead the eyes around the canvas. Every artwork has a foundation in these elements and principles. You simply cannot have art without at least one of these. Well, I suppose you can have a blank canvas and call it art, but one can argue it has beauty in its space and unity. Okay, let's start with color. Color or hue is very basic but very important. It stands out and can be something we look for first. It can be the saturation and the luminance of a color that draws the eye. Line is the linear marks that are created when two shapes meet. Shape is a self-contained area, either geometric or organic, while space is something judged on perspective. It can be positive or negative, black and white, and even overlapping subjects can be space. Texture is a tactile, almost tangible element. 3D or relief sculptures have textures as well as brushstrokes on a painting. This element is very powerful and provides another sight to draw to the eyes or even sense of touch. Time and motion of art not only depends on what the subject is. A painting of a horse running obviously implies movement, but so can a diagonal line. It can provide some dynamic elements and some flow. Balance is the visual weight and importance of certain objects. It can include symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial balance. The scale and proportion is simply the relationship of the area and the shapes within it. Repetition and rhythm is the movement that provides visual flow. If done successfully, the rhythm allows the eye to move through the art without anything being too chaotic. Unity and variety are possibly the two most important principles. Unity is the oneness or completeness of a work of art. It makes it whole, providing the painting or sculpture with a satisfying effect. Variety combines all the different elements I went through before and makes the artwork interesting. This and unity go hand in hand. And those are all the elements of art and principles of design.